Where was Swami Vivekananda going on one day? We were going in the beach. The beach was very small. One side beach has a lot of water. A lot of monkey fell behind Swami Vivekananda and make Vivekananda very upset. Vivekananda tries to run away from that monkey to save himself. Then a person comes from the front and says to Vivekananda that you don't fear these monkeys. The more you fear this monkey, she will be so afraid of you. If you face them, then that monkey will run away. Then Vivekananda looks at monkeys and shoot loudly. After that, whole monkeys run away. Our life's negative thoughts like those monkeys. The more you scare them, the more she will follow you. If you do not fear them and you will face them, that means all the negative thoughts that are coming in life, if you face them, then the problem will be solved. Whatever negative thoughts are coming, let it come. Thoughts of negative thoughts are coming, let there be, no problem. This will happen, that will happen, you don't be afraid. You always keep positive thoughts. If you have one positive thoughts, then it is larger than 1000 of negative thoughts. So always keep positive thoughts and face the whole problem. Like the video if you like it and share with your friends. If you are watching our channel for the first time, subscribe to our channel. This type of a video to watch first.